Hello. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Natania. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. It's been a minute, huh? It's been a minute, but a couple of things. Today's video is just gonna be just a overview of what I've been doing. I was hired to do a project and I really want to focus on it. And as I mentioned before, it's just me, and of course, occasionally JB get a chance to help me, but I wanted to give my full attention and my full focus on this project. It's done. Photo shoot is done. I'm gonna give you, I think I have some behind the scene footage that I captured, and just kind of give you the reveal of what the space looked like, with some pictures and a few video clips. Know that I have some free time. It's back to my house. And so a couple of things. JB and I decided that we're definitely gonna do the hardwood floor. Okay, someone just texted me. We definitely decided we're gonna do the hardwood floor, but instead of doing the entire house, we're gonna do it in phases. So first we're gonna start off with our bedroom and our family room first, because those are the two largest spaces, and get that done. Hopefully we can have that done by next month, which is April. So fingers crossed. I'm really excited that we decide to kind of come up with a plan to kind of deal with it, because to do the entire house would have been extremely expensive. So we're gonna do it in phases just to be more cost effective and work with our budget. I did a few changes. What did I do? Oh, I bought some new equipment from Crate and Barrel. And while I was in Crate and Barrel, I'm gonna show you. I found these. I don't know. To me, they just look so different. Their vase. It's called the Preem 2 layer vase, and it was on clearance for like $20. So I got two. In the previous clip you saw where I used one with some beautiful floral, and I have this empty one right here. I'm gonna just put somewhere else. I have an espresso machine. I don't know how to use it, so that's something I'm gonna have fun learning to use. If you guys have one, leave some fun ideas of how I can make those really cute, aesthetic coffee drink. But this is gonna be a really short video because I'm just still trying to get back into doing the making the videos and stuff like that. Oh my gosh, why did it look so dark? I think it's the lighting. Another thing, I'm getting ready to go on a girls trip. No, what? I'm doing a girls weekend with my sisters in DC in the end of the month. That's gonna be fun. And then myself and JB and Jackson, we're gonna go to Atlanta next week. I think moving on. So, another thing, I'm gonna talk to you guys about a book I just finished reading. It's called We Should All Be Millionaires. When I tell you that book has just changed the way I think and the way I look at things, I'm going to do a video where I just talk about just a renewed mindset. That might be my next video, just a renewed mindset. So I'm going to share that with you guys, and maybe you guys can read it as well, and maybe that may spark something within you. But as you guys all know, I'm on this journey of just being a better version of me in regards to my health and everything, and I've taken that so seriously in regards to, I have a personal trainer, just signed up to start yoga, so I'm very intentional about taking care of this temple that I'm blessed to have, right? So thanks for hanging on. Let's get into the video, okay? Okay, guys, so this is the space. The sofa, we just bought that from HomeSense. So it's pretty much an open basement, but she wanted to be kind of cut up into that, a little workspace, a lounge area, and then the rest is just going to be an entryway coming in. This is what it looks like when Alex started painting and stuff. So it went with black all the way on the back wall leading into the office section. I did the black because I wanted to pop for when you enter the house, you can see straight to the back. And yeah, so I do love it. But this is just day-to-day of what it's like behind the scene. working with myself and Alex.